Hello everyone, Jonathan Rayo here with Simplified Guitar, and in this lesson I want to teach you how to play the song What a Wonderful World by Louis Armstrong. So right now I'm going to play through the song, and then afterwards I'm going to break it down and explain it to you in more detail. So let's go ahead and get started.
I see trees of green, red roses too. I see them bloom for me and for you. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. I see skies of blue and clouds of white, the bright blessed day, the dark sacred night. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky, are also on the faces of people going by. I see friends shaking hands, saying, how do you do? They're really saying, I love you. I hear babies crying, I watch them grow. They'll learn much more than I'll ever know. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
So for this song I'm going to be using all 6 chords from the E chord family, and I'm going to be using some power chord variations, that way we don't have to play any bar chords. So we have the E chord, we have the A2 chord, and I'm using this variation because it transitions very well to all the other chords in this family. Because our 3rd and 4th finger here on the D and G string aren't going to move as we transition to the B or the C sharp minor, they stay in that exact same position. And then we have the B suspended and the C sharp minor 7. And for these 2 chords, I'm using my thumb and putting it on the back of the guitar. That way I can get my wrist away and prevent this part of my finger, my 1st finger, from muting the high E string and the B string down there. Okay, so by doing that I can kind of lift my hand away from the fretboard, and allows me to come straight onto the strings, perpendicular to the strings, so that I can get that clean sound. And then we also have the F sharp minor and the G sharp minor. And again, these 2 chords go hand in hand because they have the exact same shape. They're just changing frets. Now for all of these chords, I want to make sure that the low E string is not resonating, except for the E chord. That's the only time we want to hear that low E string. But for all of the other chords, we want to start our strumming on the A string, okay? So what we can do is we can mute that low E string with our thumb for the A2 chord, as well as for the F sharp minor and for the G sharp minor. We can use our thumb to mute that string. But when we're playing the B suspended and the C sharp minor, the thumb's back here on the back of the guitar being used to create that counter pressure. So I can't use my thumb, but I do have this finger free, so I can use that finger to just touch the low E string and mute it. That way we don't hear it. Now we're going to be using a finger picking pattern for this song called the inverse pattern, and it's really, really simple when you break it down. So basically we have 6 beats to this pattern. We have 3 beats going up from low to high with our thumb, and then we have 3 beats coming down from high to low. So if I'm playing the B suspended chord, for example, we're going to need to start our strumming on the A string. So I'm going to use my thumb, starting on the A string. I'm just going to go down 3 strings. 1, 2, 3. Okay? And then I want to come up 3 using my index finger. I'm going to start on the highest string. 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So very easy. And again, as I said earlier, all of these chords are going to start on the A string. So that's the strumming for all of the chords except for the E chord, because on the E chord, we need to start our strumming on the E string. And what we're going to do if we start on the E string, we're going to play E with our thumb, we're going to skip the A string, and we're going to play D and G, the D and G string. 1, 2, 3. And then our index finger does the same as before. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and the reason we're skipping that A string is because we really want that E to resonate clearly. We want it to be clear. And because it's a low register, if you play the E and the A string together, in this case, because we're finger picking, it kind of gets muddy. The E and that A string kind of muddy each other up. And so by skipping that A string and going to a higher pitch on that D string, it really makes that E more clear. All right, I hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next one. Take care.